it. I just sat down at the piano today and started to improvise doing this. Time has drifted away, and I'm loving it. It's making the piano feel and sound beautiful. You can do this. I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. I'm going to break it right down so it's simple. And what it's doing three things. It will give you three benefits. The first is it will give you joy, so that time just drifts away and you're just in a zone, okay? The second is it's training your hands to coordinate in quite a simple way. If you're a beginner, I'm going to show you just with 2 fingers at first in the left hand and playing simple things with the right hand. And it's making your hands coordinate. It's helping them to coordinate. And the third thing is it's helping your ear, because you're composing little tunes. You're making little phrases and melodies. And so the overall effect is it's really progressing your piano playing, okay? So let's go to the overhead camera. I'm not going to go to the graphic one today. We're just going to do it here in my front room. Let's go to the overhead camera and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So I'd like you to put your fingers on those 2 notes, the D and the A. And all we're going to do is we're going to move your thumb up 1 note and back again. So it's going to go like that. And do that over and over and over till you get sick to death of it. Well, you never will actually, but just do it a lot and then start to speed it up. And get it so it feels good, yeah. About something like that. And then with your right hand, you're free to play any white notes. Try playing little phrases. Every now and again, bring it back to the D, that note, and that'll bring it home. But keep that going. Then try playing little clusters of notes. Sounds nice. Another thing you can do is use the sustain pedal. What about octaves? Then soft, playing it soft. Another thing is getting the offbeat going. I go on about this all the time, don't I? So try playing just those notes with those 5 fingers. Get that going, and then do the offbeats, double it up. When you get good with that with your left hand, you could add that note as well. So you're playing the chord of D minor in the left hand. And then when you get really good, you can play those 3 notes, the D minor chord, and with your thumb, start doing that, the B to the C. Those 5 notes again. Keep it simple. If you mess up a bit with the left hand, it doesn't matter. Let's go back to that. Doesn't matter if you mess up with the left hand. Take it for a walk. Let's try with those 5 fingers again. Get loose. Another thing you can do is those little slides. Some black notes going in there. Practice doing that. So you're just sliding up. And that's sliding up, but playing another note with your little finger as well. Make a few little phrases up. That sounds nice. Then bring it home to the D. Sustain pedal on. Sustain pedal. Off. Yeah. Little black notes, yeah. And it's all done with this left hand, just doing that. You can do this for hours. It's giving you joy, it's helping your hands coordinate, and it's improving your piano playing all the time. This is what we do at Rebel Piano. We enjoy things, we have fun, we keep it simple, and we keep it musical, always musical. No technical stuff, reading notes or sheet music or anything like that, just making music on the piano. See you soon, yeah.